What is the secret to visibility online? It's more than just my brand name. It actually is a mission of mine. So, in those early days when I was trying to figure out how can I serve my clients better? How can I take what I'm doing for them over here and make sure that it reaches their goals over here? I realized that there was more to it than what most people were telling you. There was no $1 million email that you could send and just instantly be an overnight success. You had to actually work at it and you needed to know what you were doing in order to make it work. So, the secret to visibility online is bringing together all of those components, showing up in an authentic way, and serving your people in a way that builds a presence and then takes them down a special journey where you nurture them, market to them, and push them through a strategy in a way that supports them and makes them feel taken care of, but not in a way that just makes you give everything away for free and hope that in the end somebody buys something. The secret to visibility online is so much more than what platform you're on or how many emails you're sending. It's creating an entire picture for your business of how you serve, who you serve, what you need to get to them, and how you're going to deliver that over and over and over again.